Hi everyone, I'm here with a project share. This is through Polly's Pretties on Facebook. She also has a YouTube channel. And the theme is 80s by the pool pocket letter. I don't know about the 80s, but I think I captured by the pool pretty well. So you're looking at the pocket letter, and my swap partner is Vivian. I don't know if she's on YouTube. And if you are watching this, Vivian, you might want to go off. I'm not going to share what I'm going to put in the back pockets, but this is the pocket letter that will be sent. So what I used for all the backgrounds is a piece of this. It's Hot Air Balloons, A Perfect Summer by Lori Whitlock. I've had this for some time. I had a whole collection. It's Echo Park. And the reverse side here is the hot air balloons. Or maybe this is the reverse side. I used this because I thought it looked like waves kind of in a pool or ripples in water. So I used that. But I also found I had this matte stack, Summer Days. I think I used this last year for a journal, but this particular sheet, this is part of it is off already, says pool party. So I put the pool and the party up here, and then the bottom part that's missing here is these. I used 2 sheets of it, summer fun, but it had flip-flops going across to there, and then I started another sheet of it with just summer and the flip-flops down here. I did not use, I used part of this right here, and I used some of this just as backings here and somewhere else, which I'm not seeing right now, or maybe I changed my mind. And then this is actually here, and I actually cut that right at the bottom of that swimming and right above that bird, and even the top of his head got a little buried because I used stickles on there. Now I just laid that in there on top of the other sheet because if you flip it over, if the person really wanted, they could cover the whole front and use the backs as hot air balloons. So there they have most of that sheet of paper. But I thought that was cool, and this water really looks like a pool, you know. And then there were some other ones I didn't end up using, like these. I thought this would be good for by the pool, or this one, but I ended up not using them. And then I also had some Simple Story Sunshine and Happiness stickers, and I did use a couple of the black and white ones up here. One says Shine Bright and one says Sunshine in My Soul. And I also think this little lady came out of there, I Love Sunshine. And the Chill actually came out of here too. All right, and so that's that. I found this paper, but I don't think I used it for anything. Sunny Days. I did have 3 stickers left that I think came or went with that collection. This flamingo and 4 stickers, and these 4 or 3 popsicles and that flamingo. And then there's some little pineapples and ice cream cones, and those were from, one second, I have them here somewhere, I'm not sure where. Anyway, they're from a different collection sticker pack. I don't seem to be able to find that right now. And then, I don't know, a little while ago I did a Dollar Tree haul, and I said I don't know how these stamp out. They stamp fine. So I did the ducky inner tube thing for the pool, right? I did the snorkel thing and colored that in. Oh, this beach ball was off the same sheet as those pineapples and stuff. Oh, and these flowers, and there's a little sunshine here. Anyway, and the beach ball here, I stamped that in polished pink, and then I colored the yellow in Daffodil Delight. And the cocktail here, and that's colored in, oh gosh, I don't know if it's polished pink or it's Pool Party. I stamped it in Pool Party and I colored it in I think polished pink, or no, I think sweet sorbet, or possibly mango melody even. I'm not sure. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4 off that. It stamps fine. They're very soft, clear stamps. They're not like Stampin' Up's stiffer photopolymer, if that makes any sense. And then this hello is right here in these Die Friendship, who is it, Memento. It was for the Cuttlebug. I know that says it's compatible with that. It's Memento. Tuesday morning, January 2017 time frame. Sometime after that, I guess. And then I did find these flip-flop dies. They actually look like they're together, but they die cut separate. And I was going to use the sunglasses, but I didn't. And the ice cream cone I didn't, because I had other stuff on here. But I did do the flip-flops. And I just took a finger dauber in Magenta Madness, actually. And this is cut out of Magenta Madness, which is a retired color. And then I used crystal stickles to do the bar. And anyway, I started to say, you're not going to be able to see this, but I die cut another one. I don't know if you can see this either. Yeah, you can see they have texture on them. So where the band was, it goes in between the toes, that's where I put the stickles. And then to make those lines show up on the flip-flop more, I use the dauber on those. And then these are retired Magenta Madness dots from Stampin' Up. Here I use stickles in the color, it's been a while since I used stickles, turquoise actually. And somewhere, oh here, and I think somewhere else, down here, I believe, because this already had a line. So at the top, that was on the paper. So at the top and right here, I used a similar color, which is Waterfall. I like that color blue in the stickles. So, and then to bring in the turquoise, I also used retired turquoise glitter. Miss and Magic glimmer paper in iridescent light green and turquoise, so I just used the turquoise. This is a scallop circle die, and this is the scallop, Starburst Punch. And these I colored in, this is colored in either Dark Daffodil, it has to be Dark Daffodil Delight or possibly Mango Melody, because I still have the alcohol markers in that, even though they're retired, and Pumpkin Pie. And then this is in Tahitian Tide and Parakeet Party, and the black was what I stamped it in black. Let's see what else. Sunshine is a sticker. I tried to make a smiley face, but it looks kind of weird with the orange gems, and those little gems that are on that sheet are Simply Creative adhesive gems. I have no idea where I got those. Actually, I've had them in my stash for a long time, and I found the other stickers. The puppy kind of stickers. Okay, both the other stickers, these and the puppy ones, are pebbles, and they are what collection is this? I don't know. These were chipboard stickers, and then the puppy ones, the flowers, the sunshine here, and the 2 pineapples, and this beach ball, they're all pebbles. And those, I think, were that sunshine set I showed you a minute ago. That was Simple Stories. I'm not sure, but I had them in with my summer stuff. So I finished this one. It only had the flamingo and those 3 ice creams left on it. And I'm going to save this piece of acetate because I'm going to put some, possibly some washi or something around that to put in the pocket letter, right? In the back. So that's it. Oh, and this is Pool Party by Stampin' Up. And this little bow I did with this ribbon from Offray. Your guess is as good as mine. Which store I got this at? Probably Joann's or AC Moore, or possibly at a yard sale. I don't know. This is, oh, washi tape. This is washi. I have this, oh gosh, I'm a mess. Recollections washi. I think this was, and it's called Poolrific. And I used this one with the sunglasses that says Sunny State of Mind Day, but I just used the sunny days. Somewhere there must be a sunny days on there too. Anyway, and it started to say something here, but I covered it with another pair of sunglasses. Oh, here's the other one I did on the pink backing. Sunny Day, Lazy Days, and I Love Sunshine up here. These two were cut out of the paper. Fussy cut, which was a pain in the butt right there. And these sunglasses were fussy cut out of that paper. Also, from that paper was DCWV the summer days. I've had for a while. It's a stack, matte stack. Really nice matte stack. Has a lot of nice papers. There's some red, white, and blue, some picnicky things, some watermelon, some grilling, all kinds of, and some plaids, all kinds of cute things. So yeah, Doris dies. I don't have a stamp set to go with that, but it does cut and emboss. Memento, 1 die. Dollar Tree, Crafter Square, 4 stamps, I think. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, 4 stamps used. There's also sunglasses in there, but I didn't have any more room to put it. So do you think I hit the theme? I thought I did. Pool party, swimming, fun in the sun swimming, chill with the ice cream, the bathing suits and buckets are hanging on the line up here with the clouds, lazy days, sunglasses, flip-flops. Oh, the washi. I used some other washi. I used this grass, these clouds, and this I don't know where I got from. Might have been out of a tube or not. Not really sure. It was in my drawer. I used that here, and actually it was on here too, and then over here, but I buried it under these lanterns. Here's the grass washi here and all down here, and there's a little puffy palm tree there and some little puffy flip-flops too. And then I have washi clouds up here. So I've got the grass down here, the clouds up here, and this across these two. And that is it. Now I thought there was another washi out of here. Maybe I pulled it out and didn't use it. Oh yeah, the pineapples I was going to use, but I just used the sunglass one right there. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed. Been a while since I made one, and so I thought I'd trade. I'm in 2 swaps. This one, 80s by the pool, and we have to get it in the mail by the 15th, so I'm hoping I get this out by Wednesday, because I had to run errands on Wednesday. And another one, but it's just a die cut swap, 20 die cuts, also through Polly's Pretties. And actually I'm swapping with Polly on that one. And so that I won't have anything to share, because I'm not going to share what I'm sending her. So, you know, and maybe I'll do a video of what I get. Oh, here's that washi also down here. I didn't do a bead dangle, and I don't know if I really have any charms that would be related to this, so I hope this is okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I had fun doing this pocket letter. I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye.